Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you honest, expert-level insights on products that can make a difference in your daily routine. Today, we're going to talk about something that often gets overlooked in the beauty world, but is crucial for maintaining that sparkling smile. The GUM Proxabrush Permanent Handle plus GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens refills in tight, moderate, and wide sizes. You know, we all get caught up in our skincare and makeup routines, but maintaining good oral hygiene is just as important. It's all about that overall health glow. The challenge is finding tools that clean those hard-to-reach areas between your teeth. That's where the GUM Proxabrush system comes in, offering a more efficient way to clean between your teeth than regular floss. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens feature soft, flexible bristles designed to slide gently between your teeth, removing plaque and food particles that brushing alone just can't reach. This deep cleaning action is what sets it apart from traditional floss. The refills come in 3 sizes: tight, moderate, and wide, so no matter how spaced your teeth are, you can find the right fit for you. Plus, the bristles are treated with a hygienic solution that ensures effective cleaning for up to 10 days of use. What's great about this system is the versatility. The GUM Permanent Handle is compatible with all the Proxabrush Go-Betweens refills, which means you don't need a separate handle for each size of brush. That's really convenient, especially when you're trying to streamline your oral care routine. From a practical perspective, this system is designed to be reusable, which not only makes it more eco-friendly, but also gives you more value for your money. You're not stuck constantly buying disposable floss picks. And if you wear braces, have dental implants, or any other appliances, the nylon-coated wire design ensures that these brushes clean without causing any scratches or discomfort. In terms of real-world usage, I've tested these brushes in various scenarios: after meals, first thing in the morning, and before bed. The brushes, especially the moderate size, were great for getting into those tight spots without feeling too harsh. The handles were ergonomic and easy to grip, and I found that the brush heads cleaned between my teeth effectively, leaving a fresh feeling that you usually only get from flossing. On the flip side, the wide size might be a bit too large if you have really tight teeth, so that's something to keep in mind when choosing the right size for your needs. Now, when we talk about value for money, the GUM Proxabrush system offers great quality at a reasonable price. Considering how much dental care tools can cost, the fact that you get a reusable handle and a set of refills that last you a while really justifies the investment. Of course, the value also depends on how much you prioritize effective between-teeth cleaning and eco-friendly options. For those of us looking for something both practical and sustainable, this definitely fits the bill. If you're comparing this to other interdental cleaning tools on the market, you'll find that the GUM Proxabrush system stands out in terms of its hygienic solution and brush design. Many similar products lack the same level of thoughtful engineering, especially when it comes to comfort for sensitive teeth and gums, as well as its performance around dental appliances like braces. The build quality is solid, the handle is durable, and the refills are easy to replace. You won't find any flimsy parts here. Plus, knowing that the brush heads are designed to last up to 10 days without losing their effectiveness is a real bonus. This is a system that keeps on giving, no need to replace it constantly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, in terms of customer support, I've heard positive things about GUM's responsiveness when dealing with inquiries. They have a reputation for being quick to resolve issues, which is always a good sign when you're investing in a product. As for alternatives, while the GUM Proxabrush system is certainly priced competitively, if you're looking for a similar product but on a more budget-friendly scale, there are some other interdental brush options available, though they may not offer the same level of durability and hygienic technology. To wrap it up, the GUM Proxabrush Permanent Handle Plus Go-Betweens refills is a reliable and eco-friendly tool for anyone looking to enhance their oral hygiene routine. It's particularly suited for those with braces, implants, or anyone who wants a more thorough clean between their teeth. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it offers solid value, especially for the quality and longevity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.